guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am making one of Kylie Jenner's outfit. So there's this post where she posted and the outfit looked so nice and very blingy. Now I'm a fan of blingy stuff, so when I saw that outfit I was like, you know what, I can actually DIY this dress, and hence this video. So for the first step was to find the basic dress. So basically I wanted something very basic, something in the nude shade because the outfit was in nude color. So I searched everywhere. So I wanted a nude dress which had like no texture on it, and also it was half sleeve or a sleeveless, because the dress outfit that she was wearing was still here and then she had this gloves here. So I searched all over on Amazon, on Shein, but I couldn't find anywhere. I could find a few which were in like satin material, but I didn't want satin, and then it had like a texture, but I didn't want texture. I wanted something very bodycon, like that sticks to the body. So in the end I couldn't find anything, so I finally bought this bodycon dress which was in black color and which was full sleeve. I bought it from Shein. It is called the solid mock neck bodycon dress. The rate is 362 rupees. At that time I bought it for something like 385 or 370. So it costed me, the dress costed me 370. So I had to wait for like 7 to 8 days for the dress, and the dress finally arrived. Step 2 was sticking of the stones or the pearls. Now when I saw the dress I thought, okay, it's just some pearls or stone, the sticker stone that you get. So I went to this wholesale craft store and I was searching everywhere, and I got this sheet type which had like stone stickers, and in one sheet you had only like 20 or 30, and I didn't know how much I require for the dress. So I was like confused and I bought like 36 sheets. I was about to pay, and then he told me, why do you need so much? And I showed him the picture. See, this is what I'm gonna make and I need. And he was like, you should not use these stones, these sticker stones, because it will come off and you will require a lot. So then he told me you should actually buy the stones that they use for jewelry, or specifically for the dresses. Then he showed me one shop, or actually it was a godown. So I was searching the whole godown to get the proper stones. So I finally found 2 packets. One was small and one was big. So this is the packet. So this packet costed me 350, like literally this much. So stones done. The next thing was to buy a glue. So he suggested me that the fabric glue will be the best. So this is a fabric glue. The MRP for this is 35, but since it was a wholesale shop I got it for 30 rupees. The first step is a process. Now I was very excited to stick these stones on the dress. I was like, oh, this is gonna be very much fun, this is gonna be the best, I'm gonna enjoy this. So I start from the neck and I don't do the hands. So I'm basically just doing the body first. So I thought, I'll stick the stones close by so it will look good. But that was a mistake, because when you stick closer, you have to stick a lot of stones and it will consume your time. Because even if you stick it a little far by, the end product is gonna look the same. Literally every day for 5 years, I'm sticking the stones. My mom was like, तू पागल हो जाएगी, क्या कर रही है, तू पागल हो जाएगी. But I wanted to finish it badly. So I finished the front one, and for the hands I did only till here, half sleeve, and rest I kept it plain. Same for the hand here also, I did the half sleeve. I didn't do the back side, like I didn't stick stones at the back, because I was very sure if I do that then I'm gone. And next thing what I thought was to cut the sleeves, because I wanted half sleeve, but then I thought, why to waste the cloth, and I didn't cut it, I left it like that. So finally after doing, I kept it in a hanger for like 2-3 days to make sure that the glue sticks properly. The end result. So finally when I wore it, trust me, it looked so nice. I'm very proud of myself. So the total outfit costed me 370 for the dress, 350 for the stones, 30 rupees for the glue. So total you get 750. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.